after Papa, my mom was very scared to let us be in Bombay. Bombay was not even safe for us. It's not that we were getting threats. We were sent to Delhi. And my brother stayed here. He did not come in front of public's eye. For the longest, people did not even know how Bhushan Kumar looks like. My mom was very scared of being in front of the camera. So she was like, "Jo bhi kuch karna hai, do behind the camera."
Right.
So it was a journey for me to, convince her to let me do this. When I was, I think 5 or 6, I did this film called Jai Ma Vaishno Devi. The lines till now I remember, and they were difficult lines. After Dhoka, scripts had started coming in.
Okay.
Everyone loved my work. I'm not doing any more of Dhoka unless if they plan to make another Dhoka Part 2. Hi, I'm Kushali Kumar and you're watching me on Filmy.
Hi, this is Siddharth Shukla from Filmy, and today I have with me yet again, and I'm very happy to welcome her to Filmy, Kushali Kumar.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
All good, and thank you for having me here.
It's my pleasure to meet you all over again, and we were bonding on chai.
Yeah. That's a good thing. I found something common. So we share that same chai ka a weird weird habit also and a nice pyar with chai what we have. हमारा exclusive friend. So we have a weird habit. जब हम चाय पीते हैं हम किसी को अपने around कोई नहीं बैठा होना चाहिए. It's just me and my chai. And he shared the same thing with me.
I'm so happy someone did.
And I was amazed, and I think we both are Sagittarians.
Yeah.
So yeah, it happens.
How are things, Kushali? कैसा चल रहा है सब? I watched your film date because I mean I loved it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I loved it.
I'm glad you liked it. It's like hard work paying off. Got some very good reviews on it, and the way people have liked my work. So I'm very touched and blessed with that.
When I was watching the film, अभी मैं आपको बोल रहा था कि the accent, I think it's based in UP. The story is based in UP.
UP,
right?
MP.
UP and MP, right? The accent जो आपने पकड़ा है ना, and I'm so glad you did not make it caricaturous. You did not go overboard, and I loved it. And how did you prepare for it?
See, honestly, for this, I'll give the complete credit to my director-writer, Pulkit. He is from this region. He has a complete command, I think, over the language. तो जो उन्होंने screenplay भी लिखा था, वो इसी मीटर में लिखा हुआ है.
So ये जो passion था about acting and playing characters. Just take me back to your childhood. Was it bachpan se or it?
It was from childhood because when I was I think 5 or 6, I did this film called Jai Ma Vaishno Devi. So and my papa is also there in it. So from there, that time only मेरे को ना मैं बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी पढ़ाई में. I used to pass borderline.
अच्छा, बट पास हो जाते थे?
मैं पास हो जाती थी. और जैसे ये हिंदी में पोएम्स होती है, इंग्लिश, मेरे को कभी कुछ ऐसे याद नहीं होता था. होता ना आपको याद करना. बट माई स्क्रिप्ट एज माँ वैष्णो देवी, द लाइन्स आई टिल नाउ आई रिमेंबर, एंड दे वर डिफिकल्ट लाइन्स. वो मेरे को एक बारी पढ़ के याद हो गई. वॉट आई इंजॉयड इवन एज अ किड परफॉर्मिंग ऑन द सेट, आई डिड नॉट वांट टू कम बैक. एंड उसमें व्हेन इवन द डायरेक्टर सॉ मी परफॉर्म, तो उसमें था कि आफ्टर लाइक देयर वाज लाइक अ हाफ एन आवर टू 45 मिनट्स ऑफ अ बचपन, एंड देन माँ के बड़े होने के रूप से आगे कहानी चलती है. तो ही वॉन्टेड टू शूट विद मी, बट वहाँ पे मम्मा एंड पापा सेड कि ये पहले अपनी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट करेगी, क्योंकि मेरे को यहीं से ही दिख रहा है कि इसका डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रही है. तो दे सेड नो, फर्स्ट कंप्लीट स्टडीज एंड देन गेट इनटू इट.
Nice. मैं actually वही पूछने वाला था कि when you knew about it and why didn't you just directly jump into acting?
See, I would say if Papa was there, he supported me, I definitely would have. But after Papa, my mom was very scared to let us be in Bombay. And Bombay was not even safe for us. It's not that we were getting threats and all even that time. So we were sent to Delhi. And my brother stayed here. He did not come in front of public's eye. For the longest, people did not even know how Bhushan Kumar looks like. It was a way, once he became very strong, and so did even my mom. It's recently, I would say, it's been now 5, 6 or 7 years. You would have even seen Bhai coming out.
Yeah.
And otherwise earlier, more in public.
Yeah.
Otherwise, he never used to be out in public.
Yeah.
My mom was very scared of being in front of the camera. So she was like, "Jo bhi kuch karna hai, do behind the कैमरा.
right.
So and she had seen me बचपन में. मेरे को था कि मैं उनकी साड़ियाँ लूँगी, काट के कुछ ना कुछ बना लूँगी. तो she was like इसका इंटरेस्ट फैशन में भी है तो उधर डाल दो. Then I did that, but I used to be after her. हर जब मैं शाम को घर आऊँगी, I'll sit with her, घूम फिर के will reach to this topic, will cry, will tell her. So it was a journey for me to convince her to let me do this.
You have, I think, Ghurchadi coming up?
Yes, that's coming up.
It's coming up, right?
Yeah.
And you're working with Path again.
Yeah.
And your song Dhoka. Again, there's something with Dhoka that's there in your life. Dhoka around the corner.
अब हो गया यार Dhoka movie हुई, film हुआ. अब I'm not doing any more of Dhoka unless if they plan to make another Dhoka part 2. Then that's a different thing. But अभी Dhoka नहीं.
अभी बहुत हो गया. But Ghurchadi हो रही है.
Yeah.
So how is it? Because your fans again love your chemistry with Parth. There are actually I'm forgetting the name, but there are वो जो hashtag बना देते हैं ना दोनों का नाम मिला के, with the actors का pairing अच्छा लगता है जब. How for your fans, tell me, when you're shooting with Parth, how is it like your chemistry, as in friendship, the bond you share, and one good quality that you feel like, okay, I'm excited to work with him, and one thing that really annoys you about him?
Honestly, I'm telling you, be it with Parth or with anyone, I'm always excited to be on set. It's like a different vibe and feel altogether. And with Ghurchadi, the thing was, I would say with other characters, it's not me. But Ghurchadi is the first character which I'm playing. There is a lot of Kushali also in it. So when you'll see the film, I think you will be able to see it as she's a girl from Delhi, marketing. I can't give you out much. But yeah, coming with Parth, of course, I've shot with him 2 songs, music videos before, and he's a fantastic person. We've shared some great bond. Even we've done interviews, when you do interviews, that's the time when you interact. You bond and you interact, क्योंकि तब आपके पास time ज़्यादा होता है. नहीं तब shoots में तो you're just running throughout. And in the film Ghurchadi, he was more with Sanjay Dutt. He has got a lot of scenes with him. So हम लोगों के जितने थे उस समय भी it was more of like, यार इतना टाइम है फटाफट कंप्लीट करना है. बट ही इज़ फैंटास्टिक एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट हिम इज़ नाइस. annoying habit
Sure, there would be one.
हाँ, annoying habit सबकी बहुत सारी होती है. I'm just thinking कि कौन सी उसकी annoying habit है. He'll say I was stuck in traffic. It comes but it was never there on the movie set. But when we were shooting for a music video, वो चीज़ आई हुई है. I was like something or the other was always there, that he is like stuck in traffic. So वो चीज़ आती है, तो that is one annoying habit of his.
Right, and the stuck in traffic wala habit is in general very annoying.
हाँ, it is.
Excuses.
हाँ, they all give. For me, it is like leave 1 hour पहले.
हाँ, exactly.
Even I'm also leaving from the similar area, तो कितना ही difference हो जाएगा.
I know.
So that's there. But otherwise, we've had some great time shooting together.
Wow, and it also has, I think, Raveena ma'am is there.
Yes.
And Sanjay Dutt sir is there. You have any scenes with them?
Not much with Sanjay sir, but with Raveena ma'am, I have lots of scenes, and I enjoyed working with her. Okay. It's like that whole nostalgia, all that feeling, and it was amazing, to shoot with her. And she's very pretty, very nice person, and when you have that feeling, that fan wala feeling, तो आपको समझ नहीं आता आप कितनी देर देखो, किधर देखो, क्या करो. So in fact, I remember, otherwise I would be little like this, then try to take my, because you get mesmerized the way she is. And there was only one scene जहाँ पे उनको lie down करना, तो आँखें बंद थी. तब मैंने उनको अच्छे से देखा, and then I told her also. So she's a very sweet person, and was lovely working with her.
You used to dance on जैसे बचपन में शीशे में देखे टिप टिप बरसा पानी.
Yeah, सबने किया है. Like all her songs, everything, the way she would dress up and everything. I think she set fashion.
Who do you look up to as an actor? As a performer, I'm asking, actor. The
actors who I really look up to is and the actors who I really, really look up to is both are with it's with coincidence. One is Ranbir Kapoor and Rajkumar Rao. I think both of them are fantastic. And meko Ranbir Kapoor's all his films, from Savarya to Rockstar, Animal, and Barfi, I've loved him. I've just loved his performance. I think he's been fantastic from day one.
Right.
Like he's always given his best दैट्स व्हाट आई लव अबाउट हिम. अगर मेरे को वैसी टाइप की कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट्स या फिल्म्स मिले तो इट विल बी अ ब्लेसिंग.
Which of his favorite movie of yours?
Mine is Rockstar. I loved, I don't know, something just very special
Right.
about that film. I want to play that live thing because that is something I'll never do in my real life. So I want to do that.
धोखा फिल्म हुई एंड उसके बाद स्क्रिप्ट्स लाइक वर यू स्टिल ऑडिशनिंग या फिर स्क्रिप्ट्स आना ऑटोमेटिकली चालू हो गई थी?
No, after Dhoka, scripts had started coming in.
Okay.
Everyone loved my work. I got a lot
You're
of
really good in that.
appreciation.
Yeah.
Yeah, from people saying that this does not look like your debut. It does not look like your debut film, and it is not an easy role for anyone to pull off. Otherwise, also
Yeah.
these were the kind of things which I got. So it really encouraged me. I started getting a lot of films, and then that's how Date Biga happened. That's how Ghurchadi happened, and I have another film which is coming up, which will I start shooting, which
Okay.
I'll talk about it.
Of course, when it comes, right?
Yes, when the
Yeah.
time comes, and I have now a lot of scripts which have come in. There are films which I have signed, which would also go on floor.
On that note, thank you so much for joining us, Khushali.
Thank
It was
you.
pleasure
Same
talking to
here.
you.
Always, it's always fun chatting with you.
Thank you. It's my pleasure, and I hope we meet again for future
Yes,
projects.
yes.
I hope Ghurchadi soon or whatever you're coming up next with.
Yeah, Ghurchadi is coming.
You know.
Yeah. So we are meeting now soon.
Soon, right? Oh, okay, soon it is. Thank you.
Thank you.
So much.
Thanks a lot.